Jersey Jerks and Kevin Russo.
You know,
So we've got, John, we've got something for just about everybody.
yes, we do. We got a lot. Here we go. Paul Dougherty ready to crank up his S2. He's been flying airshows since 1998. He got over 25,000 hours of pilot time. Some of you that have been here before may have seen him fly a Christen Eagle years ago, and he retired that, and now he has the Patriot ship. So get yourself ready for Paul Dougherty.
Hey, Paul. Hey, it feels good to be back. Flight Squawk 0232. Okay, all right. I'll be my cruise in position. Emily's ready to go. Okay, music on. Music on, Eddie. Up here.
Okay, go.
Hey Emily, how's it going down there? Alright, well folks, it's a beautiful day for an air show. A little on the hot side, but as I climb for altitude, let this engine cool down a little bit, let me cool down a little bit. I'd like to thank John Martin, the whole crew here at New Garden Airport, the sponsors, and of course the volunteers that put on this wonderful event. We're so happy we're part of it. Thank you for letting us be here. So before I come in for the second half, I'd like to dedicate this second half of the flight to the United States of America, the good old USA. To the men and women that gave their lives, to the men and women that continue to serve today, the freedoms that we have. So this one's for you, and the red, white, blue. Paul, there, boss? Yeah, go ahead. Did you see the blue tarp down there marking the center point? Stand by. I didn't see what? There should be a blue tarp down there marking the airship center point. I didn't see it. Let me look around. Okay, just a second. No charge. Alright, John said put one out. Alright, I don't see it. I gotta reset this. Okay, sorry.
Yes, we're wondering if you can sneak us out of here. We'll be departing to the west.
Okay, I think what I can do is sneak you out after the pitch land and the chipmunk takes off.
Thank you, sir. Chipmunk, checking in.
Chipmunk nearby.
Last clear.
Jason, remind me, you do an air strike, correct?
Affirmative, sir.
Tacking down the hold short.
We're home short 2-4 right now, sir.
Thanks. Tiny little box.
I hope you enjoyed our act in the Patriot pit. Thank you everyone for having us here at New Garden.
Pitts, air boss, clear to land, 2-4. Clear to land, thanks. Winds 270 at 3.
And a gentleman's, but not a gentleman's announcer, thank you, Emily, for doing such a great job. And describe what her dad's doing up there in the pit. Thank you, Emily.
And of course, he's 26,000 hours under his belt. He definitely knows how to land an airplane, touch that pitch down.
Chipmunk, air boss.